Quick Startup is a program that you can use to configure applications which automatically run at system startup and ultimately improve the Windows boot time. Since the tool is ad supported, you should pay special attention when installing it because it offers to make some changes to your web browsers. If you're running this program on Windows 7, then make sure you check the Run as Administrator option. Else, an error pops up upon initialization. The tool has a clean and user-friendly interface which automatically displays apps that run at Windows Startup. If you select a program, you can access the context menu to disable the entry, start it immediately, open its folder and view properties. But you can also add a new program, by setting the name, path, and startup folder or registry location, edit or delete an entry, search for it on Google, as well as export it to a text document. In addition, you can view programs that are delayed at startup, set the delay time or undelay them, schedule tasks, refresh the startup list, view and stop local services, and more. Quick Startup consumes a low amount of system resources and includes a brief help file. The program can even be used by novices. I haven't come across any kind of problems during my tests since Quick Startup ran smoothly. See you next video.